Hi, I just received my Pop On Veneers about 2 weeks ago. The whole process was about a month and 2 days. I went into Manhattan and did the digital. Very good impressions. The first one was perfect. I've been wearing them for about 2 weeks now. I stated this is what my teeth look like. You feel what they look like now. I'm very happy with them. This is the natural white. People at my job are very impressed with them. They want to know, what did I do? Did I do whitening? Did I get my teeth done? I said no. These are called Pop On Veneers. Natural looking, and I'm very impressed with them. I'm able to drink with them, eat soft foods, and I have a little list. However, that will go away as well. Kudos to Pop On Veneers.